This video will assist students in Lib 1000 and Lib 5000 with APA citations. First, let me tell you the good news. For most of your academic papers, there's maybe 4 or 5 types of citations you really need to know. And they are book chapter, journal, article, newspaper, maybe a website or a government publication. Most of those are the basics that you'll be using. And my rule for citations is I have 3 rules: verify, verify, and verify. Verify any citation you get from a database or that you create against a style guide, whether it be something like here at the APA website, which is where I've got the image on your screen, or the online writing lab at Purdue. Verify. Even if you get it from a database, even if you get it anywhere, please verify it, because trust me, your professors may be checking. Trust me, I know when something looks wrong. If it doesn't feel right, I'll check it. So save me the trouble, make me happy, verify it. Now, this is the format for most books and journal articles. I am going to increase, and I'm going to cover the books first, and then we'll jump back to the articles. Okay. Oops, excuse me. And this is the, okay. Here is a book at the bottom. Let me go ahead and bump it up a little bit more. Excuse me here while I scroll down. And this is the basic format you can see here. Author goes first. Authors' names are inverted, so the last name comes first, followed by a comma and the initials. Leave a space between initials, and retain the order of the authors if there's more than one. The second part of any citation is the year of copyright or year of publication. It goes in parentheses, followed by a period after that. Then comes the title of a work, title of the book, and then if there is a edition number or volume number, put that in. And again, this is posted online so you can read it. The title of books is in what they call sentence case. In other words, only the first letter of the first word is capitalized. If it's a 2-part title or has a subtitle, anything after the first letter after a colon is also capitalized, and proper nouns. This is the way you do a title, and you end it with a period, and it is italicized. That helps identify it as a title. Next part is the publisher. If there's multiple publishers, separate them with a semicolon. APA 7th got rid of the place of publication because lots of publishing houses have multiple locations, so they got rid of it. Don't use it. Now, following that, if your book has a DOI or URL, you'll need to put that in. Now, if it comes from an academic research database, you probably do not need to include the DOI or URL. Include a URL that comes from other websites. Now, websites, typically what we mean with websites are freebies. If it comes from a free site like Amazon or Google Books, something like that, that's not an academic database, not an academic research database, put it in. See, and again, the edition number here, please put that. If the edition and volume number separated by a comma if need. So and again, first edition, you do not need to include this, so you don't need to do that. Now let me scroll back up to the article, and you'll notice some similarities. For the journal article, again, inverted names for the authors. Keep them in the correct order that you find them in the paper. You do not alphabetize them, because usually the order indicates who did the most work sometimes, or sometimes it's given to the most preferential person in the group to get the article published. So please keep the author's names the same. And again, the year of publication goes in a parentheses followed by a period. Next comes title of the article. Title of the article, not the title of the journal, but the title of the article. I capitalize the first word. It's in sentence case, like we mentioned earlier, with the title of a book. Yeah, I know, confusing. But think of it like this. It's one less thing to remember. It's like a book title, except you do not italicize it and end that article title with a period. Then comes the name of the periodical. That's also known as the journal name, the serial name, anything like that. And actually capitalize all major words. So this is a little different. Also, this is italicized. This is italicized. And after the title of the periodical, place a comma, and then the volume number. The volume number is also italicized. Also italicized. It does not go in parentheses, but the issue number, which comes next, does. But it is not italicized. It is not italicized, comma. And then comes the page numbers. Use the in dash, and again, end with a period. You just put the pages. That's it. And then if it has a DOI, place that. And that is how you do an article, a journal article. Now let's scroll down. Underneath. This is one of the other ones you'll need, an edited chapter in a book. This can get confusing, but most of it is the same as the book. You invert names of the author, of the creator, of the chapter, comma, followed by initials, last name, then initials. Year of copyright, that's the same as a book. Then you put the title of the book chapter. And again, this is in sentence case, so capitalize the first word of it, and then anything after a colon, capitalize that. And again, do this, ends with a period. Then you put the words in, then you give the editor's initials and last name with parentheses ed. Because this is not in the main part here, the editors go initials, last name, and then eds after, or ed after the final one. And then you get to the title of the book. And again, capitalize only the first word. It's in sentence case again, first word, first letter after a colon or subtitle, proper names. This is italicized. Then if it has an edition number, put that. Then you put PP and then the page numbers. If it has a volume or edition number, again, you would put that information in here. Then would be the publisher, like in a book, or the DOI. So basically for a book with an editor chapter, most of what you're adding in here is the title of the chapter and the editor information. Let's scroll on down, see what else we got. And that appears to be all for this one. But these are the three main things. So take a look at this. Look at it. Become familiar with it. Because as a student, as a researcher, you will need to know these various pieces and parts. You will need to know how to locate this, how to read this. So please do so. If you have any questions, contact me, contact a librarian. And again, you can also find this information on other sites like the Purdue Owl. So have a good day. Thank you.